move on to question 5. We got this question a lot, students, or people we talk to, giving advice to, they usually, most of these are career switchers. And they are always deciding on whether I should choose data analytics, data science, or data engineering. And someone is coming from, for example, electronic, engineering, or coming from mechanical engineering. They do come from engineering background, but they still need to learn, Python or maybe Scala and learn all the new things. So they're always wondering, how do I know if data engineering is the right path for me? Or vice versa, how do I know if data science is the right path for me? But we're speaking about this from a data engineering perspective, and I would like to hear your thoughts on this. Edwin, you want to go first?
Yeah, absolutely. So for me, it's really about whether you like to take the challenges and see it all the way through until the end and deliver a solution. And along the way, there's going to be a lot of challenges in terms of the things you do not know and or areas or the domain that you're not familiar with, and how you are able to navigate through all those challenges and able to deliver a solution, right? So if you can ask yourself this question and the answer is yes, then I say definitely it doesn't really matter your background. Like you can come in from a background of say for example mechanic engineering, or coming from a database administrator. But if you having curiosity in as the core, and able to do your own research, to do your own experiments, and I say this is pretty much the right directions for you. But if you think about writing code, or solving problems are challenging for you, or it's not really your kind of your favorite part of the job, then I say you probably need to think about some other kind of data related role, like data analyst, that can probably making the job a little bit easier. So that's kind of my take on on this topic. Back to you, Shanghua.
Thanks. Pritika, how about you?
I would think that it's so let me answer it another way. Before I think when we try to figure out if something's the right path for us or not, we are kind of apprehensive that if I go down this route, would it be good for my career or not? The good thing about technology is that all of these skills, these are very transferable. So let's say that you try data engineering for a year and you say that, okay, this is not my cup of tea, I don't really enjoy my job. Nobody's going to stop you to switch to a data science career or a data analytics career. All your skills are very much transferable. There'll be times in your job when your data engineering background and coding background will actually help you. And let's say you start to like it a lot and you say, oh, well, I just don't want to work with data. I want to work with more things. I want to work with application development or mobile development. That's when you can go to the software engineering route also. So I would say that explore it and see if it's for you, because you're not losing anything if you explore it. And there'll never be a regret that, hey, I didn't try that path. So, and there are multiple ways that I think technology works. Even within Google, there are so many. Like I can give my own example. When I started with software engineering. Like I said, I did a bit of data engineering, went back to data science, and then came back to data engineering. Now I could have had like that straight path, but I did not. And I really don't regret it, because all of these skills have somewhere helped me really in my current job. So really there's no right versus wrong. If you think you are developing an interest in it, don't overthink it. Try building some pipelines and see if you have interest, and then let's see where that takes you.
Thanks. That's a great answer.